Did you know that carrying a heavy bag across a room does not count as work? Well, let's break it down. In everyday life, we say work means effort, but in physics, work has a very special definition. Work is done when a force and only when that force is applied on an object and the object moves in the direction of the force. The formula is work done is equals to force multiplied by distance moved in the direction of the force. Or it can be expressed as W is equal to F multiplied by D, where the W and the F are all in capital letters. Work is measured in joules, and it's actually symbolized by a capital J. One joule means a force of 1 Newton moves an object 1 meter in the direction of the force. Now, here's the important part. If there is no movement or no movement is done in the direction of the force, then no work is done. Please note that. For example, pushing a wall equals no work done, or maybe carrying a bag while walking horizontally. The force is upwards against gravity and at right angle to the movement. Therefore, no work is done in physics terms. But if you lift a bag vertically upwards against gravity, work is done as the object moves in the direction of the force. Work is actually closely linked to energy. Therefore, when you do work on an object, you actually transfer energy to it. For example, lifting an object increases its gravitational potential energy. Further, pushing something to make it move faster increases its kinetic energy. And in most times, in an exam, you might be asked to do the following: calculate work done when given force and distance, or answer whether work is done in certain scenarios or not. Remember, movement must be done in the direction of the force in order for it to be considered as work. So next time someone says carrying a heavy bag is a lot of work, tell them that in physics it only counts when you're lifting it. When you start moving horizontally, no work is done. That's all for now. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment if you have any questions or additions on the topic or other topics that you need help with. Success through synergy.